Alright guys, I have gotten to the end of the trail now, and so pretty much now I just need to, there's the logging trail we were first on. I just need to go that early way and I'll get back to the parking. But I just wanted to mildly show off the not the best views with my sucky phone. But there's some nice views on the other side of those trees. I thought it was closer. It sounds like it's closer. There's there's a bird over there somewhere. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this trail, and I'll see you on the next one.